Hello everyone. Today I am starting making videos on ServiceNow scripting. It is very important as a ServiceNow developer. Without knowledge of scripting, you cannot clear any interview and even you cannot do any day-to-day work as a ServiceNow developer. So it's very important to know how to write scripts in ServiceNow. Today I will explain you a very important interview question. So the scenario is on this incident form you can see there are two fields. One is category and second one is assignment group. So whenever category changes to database, then you need to make assignment group mandatory. So this is the scenario and we will implement a script for it. So to achieve this goal, we can also use UI policy, but to learn how to write scripts, we will do it via scripting because interviewer might ask how to do it with the help of scripting. So we will write a script for it. So you must be thinking what we should write, client script or business rule, because nothing is happening on server side, everything is happening on front end only. So you need to make a client script for it because whenever we need to do any scripting for the front end only, then we will write client script for it. Okay, so let's start writing a script for this. First we need to create one client script. So you can open client script module by typing here. Okay, so client script module has been opened. Now we need to create a new client script. Okay, so we will write a client script. Let's name it make assignment group mandatory. Now you need to select on which table this script should be executing. So our scenario is based on incident table, so we will type incident over here. We have selected this and we can select UI type for all, and in the type there are four types. As per our scenario we will select onChange because whenever category changing to database, then we should execute this script. So after selecting onChange, there will be a new field name, like on which field changing this script should execute. So we can select the correct field name over here. For our scenario it is category, so we have selected category over here. Now we will write a script. So this is the template for onChange client script. We will write a script from here. So let's start writing a script. So our scenario is whenever category changing. So first we need to check what value it is holding. Then we can write if g underscore form dot get value. You can use this function get value to find any front end value on the incident form, and in the quotes you can type the field name. For our scenario it is category, so we will type backend name of this. We need to in the quotes we should write backend name of the field. So how to check backend name of any field? You simply need to do right click on that field. When you will do right click on it and click on show category, then you can see the backend name over here, category. So you need to copy it and go back on that script and type over here. Now you have typed over here. Now we need to compare. For database this script should be running, so in the codes we can write the backend name of value database. So how to check what is the backend name of database? You need to do right click on this category and do configure dictionary. And now it will show all the values available on category. You need to go in choices, and in here you can see this is database and this is the backend name, backend value of the database. So, so in here you can see this is the front end name of database, and in the value column you can see backend name of database. So most of the times we work with the backend values, so we can copy backend name of database and paste it in database. Now write inside the if condition, write your logic. So our purpose was whenever the categories database assignment group should be mandatory. So select the assignment group using this. To make any field mandatory using client script, we use set mandatory function. And inside the set mandatory, you need to give backend name of that field. So how to find backend name of assignment group? Go back on incident case form, and you need to right click on assignment group as I told earlier. So I already know backend name of that field, so I will type it over here. And the second parameter in this function is either true or false. You need to make it mandatory or not mandatory. So our purpose is we need to make it mandatory, so I will type true. So we have write the script. Now I will save this form. Now we can check if our script is working or not. Before checking, let's reload this page. Okay, so category should be database. You can see when as soon as I clicked database in category, assignment group field became mandatory. But there is a problem in it. What is the problem? You can see whenever we click on any other field, then mandatory field is not removing. Why? Because we need to take care of this condition as well in our script. How to take care of this condition? You need to write else part as well for this one. So let's write else part. What happens if it is not database? Then we need to do reverse of what we have done in if condition. So simply copy this backend name. If the category is not database, then we should remove a mandatory field. How to remove it? Just simply type false over here. The meaning of this line is assignment group should be not mandatory. Let me explain what this client script is doing. I have created this onChange client script on the field category. So whenever category will change, this script will execute. So what this script is doing, this is the template part only. We have write from line number 7. So from line 7, every time category will change, this code will execute. What this code will do, it will check what is the value of category with this code, and it will compare with database if the category is database or not. If category is database, then line number 8 will execute. What line number 8 will do, it will make assignment group field as mandatory. And from line number 9, else part is starting. What else part will do, if the category is not database, then it will make assignment group as not mandatory. So let's check out if our script is working. Let's save it one more time. Okay, now go back on this form and reload this page. Now we will check if our expected code is working or not. In the category, we will select first database. Then you can see assignment group field is getting mandatory. Now let's select any other field, software. So you can see now that problem has been fixed. It is removing that mandatory field. You can check it again. So that's all about today's interview question. I will continue making videos on scripting part, so you can subscribe my channel and please like the video. Thank you.